In this case, 40 lakh rupees was found in his bank account, and all the that money has been frozen in his bank account now. So in this case, it is I'm giving an advisory to the public using these means that it must be ensured that whenever any member of the public receives a call alleging that they are speaking on behalf of a police organization like police, CBI, ED, or any such institution, it is recommended that they must check the whereabouts, the details of the person as well as the case that they are alleging. Do not believe readily, especially when someone is trying to pressure them into sending large amounts of money in a quick fashion. Also, using these means, I would also like to highlight certain investment frauds that are recurring especially in Goa. These kind of investment frauds have become more and more, unfortunately, too common these days, and the amounts are increasing day by day. High values of hard-earned money of people is being lost consistently. So that is why we are sharing using this press briefing as a means the SOP, the standard operating procedure of these investment frauds. So the common thing that is found across these cases is that attractive websites, forged documents are used. That we did in a cybercrime case, a case that is popularly known as digital arrest. And this is FIR number 57 by 2024 under section 318, 319, 336, read with section 35 of BNSS and section 66D of IT Act. In this case, the victim received a phone call on WhatsApp. The person was impersonating themselves as a police inspector of Delhi Crime Branch. He alleged that there is a police complaint that is registered against the complainant, and he produced forged letters from Honorable Supreme Court alleging that the person is produced under digital arrest and demanded an amount totaling 1 crore rupees to be sent in different transactions to 3 different bank accounts. We received this complaint the FIR was registered on 28th December 2024. We have managed to arrest one person, namely Mr. Yaramalla Venkateshwaru, resident of Vijayawada. In this case, 40 lakh rupees out of the 3 transactions was transferred to his account. Using cyber tracing mechanisms, we have been able to track him to Vijayawada. He was brought under arrest today in cybercrime police station